Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends all over the world. Today I would like to explain you how to apply the movements of Shaolin 13 Paws. So the Phoenix movement. Phoenix. So when we apply for the self-defense, we will make some adjustments usually. Okay, I will invite Annie to help me. Come here, please. So now I will try to attack with my left hand her body, and she will use this movement. I attack, and she will block, and she will step her. This is right or left? Right foot, and put here, not to the back, to the front. And then because my power is forward, and she will use my power to draw me, to pull my more that way, and she will help me to pull, continue to pull, and fall down. So I cannot resist because of the leverage, you know. So we will practice again. We will practice again. So you come here, please. Okay. Okay. So we will change place and change your head and 这个是 and this way. So when I use my right hand, she will use her left hand firstly, and the left foot, and the right hand will push me that way. Okay, so okay, left hand block, left hand block firstly, left hand, and the left foot. Sorry, right hand firstly, and left foot. Again, right to right. So when the enemy use her right, you also use your right. Sorry for I'm sometimes confused with the right and the left, especially when someone in front of me. Okay, use your right hand and the left foot block here, and use my power. Okay, we will practice a little bit quickly. So that way. Again. I like this movement too much. So we have a more distance here. Again, this way. 这下你用左手，我用左手，你用左手。Okay, because she is my wife, she loves me, she cannot use too much power, otherwise I will seriously be dangerous, be injured, sorry. Okay, I practice again, this small form, and then I will say bye-bye. So please remember, when somebody attacks you from this side with his or her left hand, You just need to touch a little bit this way to drive the power of enemy to your backside, and then you step forward with your right foot to block his or her leg here, and just push that enemy's body to the direction that he want to move, and that guy will roll over. We will practice again. Come here. Okay. 现在用右手你是啊，现在用左手。Okay, thank you so much. 为什么他停了 Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay.